Nemesis, मत्स्य को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है। तो she started jumping and all. मत्स्य सुना मैंने, नाम तो सुना हूँ। तब पर से डर नहीं लगता साहब, मत्स्य से लगता है। And my God, I'm not able to go.
So we have in front of us a very important person who's जो छाए हुए हैं टेलीविजन पर and we know him as a lot of things. And here in Matsyakand, Ravi Dubey is bringing another avatar of him. Did you also know that he was the face of the year male in 2015, after which he also an award for the best anchor. So he's much more than just an actor. We would like to know from you, what was your favorite role as an actor, as an anchor? Here comes my first question to you.
Okay.
So
I have a very clear answer to that now, more than ever. And it is this: that my favorite role so far in my life is Matsya. It's Matsya. It's this character that I'm playing in Matsyakand. And the fact that the character has like a billion layers, it has there are so many various dialects, so many various characterizations, so many ways of walking, talking. You still, I was slipping into a new pair of shoes every single day during the shoot of Matsyakand. So for me, Matsya would be my favorite character so far.
perfect. While you talk about slipping into a new character, we would come to our next question, which is, we love you as a chocolate boy. Everybody has liked you in as the person who's smooth and who's the sweetheart. What made you choose a character like Matsya? He's a con man, very different. I am sure you get that a lot. Like for Matsya, why would you choose a character like Matsya?
Because he's not actually different. I think I have never been close to a character as I am to Matsya. So when you see the show, you would know that I think I feel most aligned and most in kind of the same frequency as this character more than anything else. So there is a certain moral compass and a value system to him. He's not necessarily an aggressive, angry, violent guy. He's somebody who does his cons with brains and wit and charm and relationships than brawn and muscle and violence and aggression. So I think that I feel in complete resonance with this character.
While we talk about beautifully as how you progressed as Matsya and how you characterize and imbibe him, we would like to, the audiences would like to know, there is a lot of comparison between Matsya and Money Heist. I just want to know, is there any similarities?
None.
None.
It's not at all the same show. See, you just have these many genres, right? There is thriller, there is comedy, there is action, there is romance, there is pathos, there is, there are only these 5-6 limited genres. Heist or a con thriller is one of them. Yeah. So definitely, this is a con thriller, but it has nothing to do with Money Heist. This is more based in the heartland of our country, and when you see the show, you'd realize that a lot of that there is no parallel.
There's no parallel. Okay, so there are a lot of answers clarified here, and yes, there's an overwhelming response on YouTube. It's been 24 hours.
Yeah.
That the trailer is released, and it's received about 250,000 views, if I'm not wrong, and it's just counting.
Yeah.
So, were you expecting this, or it's just it's just come?
No, I think it's we knew that what we were making. I mean, we knew that we are all aligned with each other. The wavelength is great, the vibe is great, the energy is great. We are all blissful about it. So we knew that we had put in every bit of positive energy that we have into this product. So now, at this point of time, I think you have nothing in your control. Now that the assets are now going out, we are delivering all the assets one by one, date by date. The trailer is going out. Soon you'll have something else coming, another trailer coming, and things like that are going to keep happening. Now it is beyond. It's a matter of intention rather than action now. So our intention is all positive, and we intend for the show to reach fantastic heights, and we put everything in terms of action, in terms of action-oriented investment. That's all done. Now it's all about intention-oriented investment to the show.
Sure. While you were talking about vibe, a good vibe, and a lot of positivity, offsets also. There is another question.
Sure.
I see on social media that you and Sargun also have a very great vibe. What was her first reaction when
She started jumping and all.
Really?
Yeah, she started jumping. She was so when the trailer released yesterday. I was in Punjab. I was promoting Matsukand on my production, Udariya. So, at which time, otherwise me and Sargun would have seen the trailer together, but I saw it and I told Sargun ki aa gaya hai. So she was already in the middle of it. She was like, no, cut the phone. I'm in the middle of the trailer. I've just kind of put it on the big screen and I'm seeing it. And she was jumping and she was all excited. So she's loved the trailer totally. And it seems that everybody I've shared the trailer with has a good thing to say about it. Even the people, even I was reading, so we all do that. Not many people will confess it, but I read all the comments under the trailer on YouTube as well, and it's all
So sweet.
blissful. It's all positive.
Yeah.
People are liking it, and that's all that we want. As people who are creating something.
We will come to the comment section. Actually, my team has curated some
Sure.
good comments for you, which is for a theme for something to come.
Okay.
But for now, I would like to know, offsets. Who was your favorite character? Who did you enjoy the most, working with?
Enjoy the most working with. I can't really say one name. I enjoyed the overall experience of working with every character on the show. Like just being in the same space as a Ravi Kishan and a Piyush Mishra. These are legends in their own right. They are fantastic actors. They are completely invested in their craft, and they are my seniors. They are also my elders. So I have great respect for them. I also, in my personal life, I hold them in high regard. It's just the format of the show wherein Ravi Bhaiya has to play my, nemesis, so to say, the arch enemy, so to say, in the show. But he's my closest friend on the set, and of course the younger lot as well, Madhur, Madhur Mittal, whom you've seen in Slumdog Millionaire earlier, Zoya Afroz. There is Rajesh Sharma ji, Shrikant ji, there is Naved Aslam ji, there is Danish Mandoor bhai. So all these people it's been a fantastic experience. I've had a great friendship. In fact, I'm enjoying a great friendship with Namesh, Ajay Bhuyan sir, our director, Manoj, who's our DOP. So it's beautiful.
You were talking about your experiences, you were talking about Ravi Kishan ji, and you were talking about how you can, not exchange shoes with him, and everybody has their own fortes, and you would stick to playing the way, and your character as Matsita. So, here you are, and coming to OTT as the next question, what is your experience, while you moved to OTT? How is it different from television?
A performance is a performance. Where you do it is necessarily not material. But OTT, I think the very model of OTT, where I can say for certain that I think you'll see me doing a lot more in the OTT space as a performer than on the television space. The very model of OTT is finite. So finite in the sense that there'll be a 10-episode series, or maybe now that they're talking long formats, so there might be a 30-episode series or a 40-episode series, but still that there's a point A and there's a point C. Whereas in television, we're producing content on television, but you do not really know a finite point. Where is this journey? You got to know a story from E to Z, not ideate and, for me as a performer, that's a reservation I've always had, which is why February 2017 onwards, I stopped engaging in infinite commitments. But these kind of finite commitments where, it gives, an opportunity to the actor in me also to kind of engage with content that I believe in. I really hope and pray that these opportunities keep coming by.
Does this also, get an affinity for the big screen? Are you also, looking to seek big screen there? If you're talking about, finite, something that is
I've been
finite.
seeking the big screen since the time I have got, it's jab se hosh sambhala at least. Because as far as I can remember, I've only wanted to be an actor, and you want to be an actor because you just love cinema. I love cinema. So, so Matsukand in essence is a very cinematic show. It is your quintessential cinematic 90s, storytelling, very larger than life, the very powerful one-liners, etc., etc., etc. So I have a feeling that the people are going to like it, and I really hope that everybody showers a lot of love on it.
Of course. We're hoping the same, and talking about how you like the big screen, here's the next question. People have known you and loved you for the television that you've done forever. So it's a smooth shift that you've made.
because I think the audiences now, by the virtue of the massive boom in the social media space, they also don't just know me as the characters I have played in the past. They also know me as who I am. So I think I am invested in them, and they are also equally invested in me. So I feel that I have a lot of faith in them that they will shower a lot of love on this new project.
So, coming back to Matsya that we're talking about, there is one very important dialogue, and I really loved the dialogue where you're talking about expenditures.
अच्छा.
I would expenditure को income बना सकता हूँ.
हाँ, अगर आप मुझे ये शादी
करने
संभालने का मौका दें, तो मैं आपके expenditure को income बना सकता हूँ.
Coming to your personal life, who's the spendthrift? Sargun ने ये dialogue जरूर सुना होगा. Sargun is listening to this.
It started off with Sargun, but then
Yeah.
Sargun got to be the more kind of वो पैसे बचाने वाली बन गई और मैं
Eventually, the one.
I became. She got me. She taught me a little bit about fashion. She taught me a little bit about certain brands, and I've developed an affinity for it. And my God, I'm not able to go.
So it's just for the real life that we keep the dialogue for now.
No, but no. I mean,
That's fine. So coming to the comments that we were talking about, there are so many comments, that people have really loved you. I'm sure you were talking that you read them, and we have some fan comments, and we would like your comments back
on them. Yeah, sure.
on them if So fans say शानदार ट्रेलर, OTT के कारण टैलेंटेड लोगों को बहुत मौका मिल रहा है.
बात तो सही है. सही कह रहे. But it's actually, I mean, we've been waiting for, all of us have been waiting to get opportunities to be absorbed in good stories. And we have that opportunity now. So we have this revolution in India, which is the OTT revolution to thank. So he's right.
So Mohit Kumar is right. This trailer is hot and looks like a bomb. This one is for you. Eyes are just on Ravi Dubey. It's by a lady, Tasneem Afsari.
Tasneem, thank you very much. And I'm going to humbly and coyly take it as a compliment.
And blush and
blush,
it's just
Tasneem.
This is just not Tasneem. I guess it's just flooded with a lot of reviews for you. And not just as Matsya but as Ravi also. People are loving you as both. So as a person who stepped into different shoes and are trying a lot of things. Again, for you specifically, there's one comment. Something Ravi Dubey hasn't done before has left an impact on me as a viewer on the trailer itself. Surabhi Maheshwari.
Thank you, Surabhi. Thank you very much. And in fact, I quite resonate with that because this show, Matsyakanda, has given me an opportunity to push a limit that I did not think I had. So I think, this show actually kind of made me create some 28 hours and 24 hours because the extra 5 hours were for the prosthetic makeup. So
You gained it all in 24 hours. It's 250k views and counting.
No, it's beautiful. The response that we're getting to the trailer, it's immense gratitude for that. So thank you, whoever has written that.
And it's just boring, and people. It's just the last set of my question, and then people want to know more. I mean, they watch the trailer and they want to know more. So it's not just me who's asking this; it's the audiences who want to know. So what is it about, and what more does it bring on table?
There's a whole lot. There are many angles that, of course, in the trailer we have not touched, and that's because we want people to come to see the show and then kind of feel about it. Whenever they see it, would love to get the feedback on it. But what I can tell you is what you've seen in the trailer. Right now, it's a con thriller essentially, and at the center of the con is this guy called Matsya, and Matsya is someone who's witty. He's sharp. He's intelligent. He's a master of disguises, and he has this ability to come out of very, very difficult situations in very witty and sharp, intelligent ways. So apart from that, I think there are many other layers to this character, which you will see, in terms of his backstory and how does he become what he becomes and why does he become what he becomes when we release the show on the 18th of November on MX Plan.
So the cat is not out of the box, and
Not
they
yet,
have
not
to
yet.
really watch it, and you're compelling them to because they've got the trailer, of course. this is, as we end this, there is a small, 2-3 dialogues which, the audiences would love from you. So the notorious man that you've pulled, for the unique and biggest cons that you've done in the film, and, you've gotten away with them, as the storyline speaks, and, I mean, the little research that I've done. There's some dialogue games for you, 2-3,
Sure.
So, you have to say it in the style of the particular character. मत्स्य को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है.
मत्स्य को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है.
Shahrukh.
Of course.
Shahrukh,
Don ko
are you
pakadna.
watching this?
So wasn't that what you wanted to do? Speak it like the character who said it.
Yeah. And you nailed it. Sorry, Shahrukh, and thank you. It's just amazing. मत्स्य नाम है, नाम तो सुना होगा. Again,
मत्स्य नाम है मेरा, नाम तो सुना होगा.
Beautiful. ये मत्स्य थाला का स्टाइल है, बाबूराव स्टाइल.
अच्छा, ये मत्स्य थाटा का स्टाइल है, बाबूराव. I think like that. I didn't get that right.
Okay, you nailed it. And the last one, वही स्टाइल में है. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, सांप मत्स्य से लगता है.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, सांप मत्स्य से लगता है.
You did this. Okay, that's it. This is what the whole session was all about, and people have loved you a lot. Coming towards the end, anything in future that you want to tell the audiences? Anything that you're coming up with next after Matsya?
I think it's important to, since you can't see the entire path, it's important to see just the next 100 meters. For me, the next 100 meters is Matsyakant, and it releases on the 18th of November on MX Player. All the episodes are free to watch, free to stream. So please do that. Please watch it with your families and friends, and tell everybody in the world to watch it. Put it on your social media, hammer it, spam people to watch it, and make sure it becomes the biggest blockbuster in the Indian OTT space. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody in the room. Off the hook, one fashion tip since you're wearing something really cool.
Okay.
Just off the hook.
I don't know, I think just get good shoes. I read somewhere that before you make eye contact, make shoe contact.
Before you make eye contact, make shoe contact. Okay, pinned this line. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ravi.